Climb inside the 2013 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, four-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a bed liner, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.